Okay guys, so today I have a birdhouse working class. What is it called again?
A bird feeder.
A bird feeder. And it's like a woodworking class. I've already went to 2 classes. I didn't record them because I was too nervous. But I think we're gonna finish it today.
I think so too.
So that's why I'm recording now. So let's go. This is the one. This is theirs. They already have the food in it. It's so cute. Guys, so these are from last time. And yeah, the one. We're gonna do the whole too. So cute. And that's where you guys put the food at. My mama putting on her glove. They're watching you. Oh. Anyways, we just measured them so we can make the roof part, like that part. I'll like do on my editing. But yeah, so after that we're gonna cut it with these. Oh. What is that?
It's a business card holder. That's cute. Keep it okay. Tuck the thumb in, like when you cut tomatoes. What?
Did you go all the way through?
Yes, I went all the way through.
She's finishing up her piece from one of the walls.
Oh, that burnt.
Ew. Let me see it.
Oh.
Wait. The girl's crooked.
No. Yes, this one, huh?
You ruined her.
You ruined my roof.
Either you can go this way or.
I need to go more.
Let's say,
Wait, show him first.
let's say go this way because you have more to hold. Okay?
Sir,
Good, good.
you did that.
Let's take that picture.
You did this,
You
sir.
trusted my life.
They're beefing. It's perfect now. Messed it up. Okay, so these are mine.
Brandon, yours.
What about these pieces? Okay, y'all, so we didn't finish it. Girl was taking forever. She kept messing it up. The jigsaw was like jumping in the air. Like,
The wood is a.
yeah, exactly. So, guess you guys are gonna have to wait. I might look crazy and I also cut bangs. I'm making the video! And now this is part 2 or week 2, I don't know. Part 2, I guess. Of me doing the birdhouse. So let's go. I'm so excited. I think today's the last day. We're just gonna be gluing the pieces together, I think. Or no, we're gonna be cutting the last pieces of wood and then we're gonna be gluing it. So let's go do that. Mama is literally leaving me. What the hell? Mom.
Last as long. See how that one came out? Because you didn't shoot like straight down.
Taking a water break. Oh. Oh wait. Okay, so we we finished it. I couldn't record that much, but we finished it. This is mine. I'm not gonna show you guys hers because I don't feel like picking it up. But that's where you guys put the food at. That's where they eat. And this is how it looks on the outside.
It's so cute.
She took my line.
Were you gonna say that?
Yes.
I'm sorry.